Lane control while driving is very important. It helps with safety, avoids other drivers having to undertake, which is a very dangerous manoeuvre, and also allows all the traffic to drive at the speed they want to. You can see here I'm driving on the inside lane. Now, it's often mistaken, people calling the right hand lane of the road the outside lane. It's the inside lane because it's the innermost to the curb. Here you can see all the time we're driving in the right hand lane, leaving the left hand lane free for anybody to overtake. For the rest of the video we'll refer this to lane 1, the second lane, lane 2. Now here you can see it opens up to 3 lanes. I move across to the right to leave the upper 2 lanes clear for traffic to overtake. This is the correct way to drive. There is no need to be in them upper 2 lanes unless you are overtaking. There's an obstacle up in front, so I move over to lane 2. Now if you watch his tricycle, as soon as he's past the obstruction, correctly he moves back to the right hand lane, back to lane 1. That leaves it free. Now you'll see I overtake these motorbikes. As I overtake the motorbikes, as soon as I get past, check my mirror, indicate, move back to the right hand lane, back into lane 1, leaving it clear, the upper 2 lanes clear for anyone wanting to overtake. When you use lane control in this way, it allows the traffic to move freely at the speed they want to, and it avoids people having to undertake. Here the road goes into 3 lanes, but it is very, very rare to see people use the right hand lane. Now you see them, they stay out in the centre, they causing delay. The car behind has to undertake, which is dangerous. I had to undertake. The reason why undertaking is dangerous is because you're overtaking, or should I say undertaking, in a blind spot. It's far easier to people to see you on the side they sit when it is just in the mirrors. Again, the correct way here. Move over 1 lane, the road is clear, move back to the right hand lane. That is how you should use lanes. The other 2 lanes have got overtaking only. Again here, 2 of them sat in the incorrect lane. I have no choice because I'm travelling faster, but to undertake. And again, a tricycle sat in the centre of the road. If he moved over to the right hand side, he's not overtaking anybody, so he should move to the right, clear the road for faster moving traffic. Another thing about using the right hand lane all the time is if something coming towards you does happen to lose control, you're further away from them. So if they come across your side of the road, there's more chance that they're going to miss you.